In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn dark mode on Excalidraw. If you spend a lot of time sketching ideas or building diagrams, dark mode can make your workspace easier on the eyes, especially at night or in low-light environments. It can also help conserve battery on devices with OLED screens and reduces glare when you're sharing your screen. First, open your favorite web browser and head to excalidraw.com. Excalidraw loads instantly in the browser, no account required. When the page opens, you'll see a clean, empty canvas in the center with drawing tools along the left and options along the top. Look toward the very top left corner of the page. You'll notice a small icon with 3 horizontal lines. That's the hamburger menu, and it's where all the quick settings live. Click that hamburger menu to open a panel of options. This menu gives you access to common settings without leaving your canvas, and everything you change here applies right away. In this panel, locate the theme section. Depending on your version or language settings, it might be clearly labeled theme, or you might see a simple toggle with icons. The dark mode option is typically labeled dark, and sometimes it's represented by a moon icon. If you're on a smaller screen, you may need to scroll within the menu to find it, so don't worry if it's not visible at first glance. Select the dark mode option. The change is immediate. Your canvas background becomes darker, the toolbars and panels shift to a darker shade, and the overall contrast is adjusted to keep your drawings readable without harsh brightness. Lines, shapes, and text remain crisp, but the surrounding interface gets a subdued look that's better suited to extended work sessions or late-night brainstorming. If you're working on a tablet or a phone, the process is the same. The hamburger menu is still in the top left, and the theme option appears in that menu panel. On very small screens, you might need to tap the menu and gently scroll to see all options. On desktop, if you don't immediately see the menu, try maximizing your browser window or zooming out slightly so the top bar is fully visible. That's all there is to it. Heading to excalidraw.com, opening the hamburger menu, and choosing the dark option under theme is a quick way to make your workspace more comfortable and focused. Enjoy building your diagrams with less eye strain and a cleaner look tailored to your environment.